Yes, yes, good morning kids. How are you all? Yes, all are you fine? Kids, this is English class. In last class, we learned U letter, no? Letter U. And today, I am going to teach you letter V. Letter V. V for victory. ಹೇಗೆ ತರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ victory ನಾವು? Victory symbol? Yeah, this is V. V for victory. No? Yes. Yes, kids. Then, what is the phonic sound of V? V the phonic sound ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? V for vulture, V for vase, V, V, V. V, 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 V. Phonic sound ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? V. Yes, this is letter V. See here, how we write V? Yes, this one is slanting line. Again, go up like this. This is also slanting line, or no? Yes, this is letter V. Just ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ವಿ. ವಿ ಫಾರ್ ವೇಸ್, ಫ್ಲವರ್ ವೇಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲಂಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಶೋಗೆ, ವೇಸ್. ವಿ ಫಾರ್ ವೇಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾವ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಫಾರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಫಾರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಫಾರ್ violin. Yeah, kids, what is violin? Yeah, violin is a musical instrument. Okay, V for van, school van. In school ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ van. Yes, V for van. Next, V for vulture. Vulture is a bird. ಅದೊಂದು ಪಕ್ಷಿ, ಹದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ. V for vulture. See here kids, how to write capital letter V. This is your 4-line book. You start from red line to second blue line. Okay, then go up, slanting line, then go up. This is capital letter V. Capital letter V. Then how to write small letter V? Okay, see here. Right in between these two lines, middle lines. Okay, slanting line, then go up. This is small letter V. Slanting line, then go up. This is small letter V. Yes kids, this is your hop, skip and jump nursery literacy skill. Open page number 79. Yes, letter V. Letter V. This is big letter and this one is small letter. V for van. V for vase. V for vase. Color the van. Yes kids, first you have to draw outline. ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್. It's like this kids. Trace the letter V. This one is capital letter and small letter V with your finger. Yes, see here kids. First one a right slant line, then go up like this. Slant line ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು slant line ತಗೋಬೇಕು. This is capital letter V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. V for vulture. This is small letter V. Okay. Yes, slant line, go up. Slant line, go up. Now trace with crayons of different colors. Okay. See. Crayons of different colors. Start from here. Slant line, then go up. Slant line, up. Slant line, go up. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ವಿ, ಇದು ಸಹ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್, ಅಪ್. Slant line, go. Slant line, go. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. See here kids, I will show you how to write capital and small letter V in your 4 rule exercise book. Yes kids, this is your 4 rule exercise book. First red line, blue line, again blue line and one red line. Okay, see here, start from red line to blue line, one slanting line, then go up. This is letter V. Okay, slanting line, yes, like this, then go up. This is capital letter V. Slanting line, then go up. One slanting line, go up. This is capital letter V. Then small letter V. We write small letter in between these two blue lines. Okay, see here. Slant, then go up. Right, and slant, go up. This is small letter V. Small letter V. See here how to write capital and small letter, both capital and small letter. Start from red line. Okay, one slant line and then up. Slant line, up. Capital letter V and this one is small letter V. Capital letter V and small letter V. ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್, ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್, ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಎಸ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್, ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ಬಾಯ್.